Hi. So we've been getting a lot of calls from TikTok, especially. I saw a video where a guy was speaking to Kantanka that we are supposed to, you know, be in contact with the Ghana Tourism Authority. Try our best possible to be in contact with the team of Ishowspeed, since he's touring the whole of Africa. Yes, I know Ishowspeed has been to Botswana. He's been to Ethiopia, Kenya, Zimbabwe, South Africa, and currently he's in Egypt. That is from his page. That is what really tells us. Today's video is directed at Ishowspeed, one of the biggest content creators across the world, and he's the biggest streamer. Yes, the biggest streamer, Ishowspeed. I stand to be corrected. I know there is this guy called Kai Senat who is also very good at streaming, but I don't know which is which. Maybe I leave it to you. Just let me know in the comment section. So he's touring Africa and people were tagging us. I saw people tagging me and this guy's post where could you Safu Studios, could you Safu? I'm like, no. Then I guess I have to create this video. Hopefully would also go to Ghana Tourism Authority and have this discussion with them. If this is your very first time chance for my video, please do also subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Safu Studios. Ishowspeed, this is Kantanka Automobiles, where we got fleet of vehicles that I'm going to walk you through today. When you come here or when you step foot into Ghana, I would want you to use, or I would want you to drive Kantanka. Yes, because this is not just any car, this is our car. I know you're shocked. You're surprised. Yes, Ghana, we build our own cars. So in the showroom, just like what you're seeing on the screen, we have the Kantanka K71 PRO, we have the Kantanka Omama pickup truck, and we've also got the Kantanka Onantefo. We have one other vehicle or one other quad cycle, which is the Kantanka Boafo. I'm going to walk you through all the various vehicles or fleet of vehicles that we have over here. So please, Ishowspeed, I know you're watching this video, so join me. When you come to Ghana, please do what to drive Kantanka. So this vehicle you are seeing, this is the Kantanka K71 PRO. That's got a silver chrome grille over here with our logo over here. Very, very beautiful, very luxurious vehicle. I'm going to open the bonnet for you to check out how everything looks like. Ishowspeed, I would want you to see something great that Ghana has got. So come. So this is the bonnet of Kantanka K71 PRO. This vehicle comes with an engine capacity of 1.5, a horsepower. Yes, a horsepower of 156. Yes, horsepower of 156 with a torque of 230. It has, it is a 5-seater. Comes with several advanced safety features, airbag, reverse voice, reverse camera. It has also got sensors just to notify the driver that anytime it is going to hit an object, it gets this beeping sound. So this is the engine part, just like what you are seeing on the screen. This is the engine part of the vehicle. Very, very luxurious vehicle. This vehicle is the Kantanka K71 PRO. Initially was the K71, but this is the upgraded version. We are going to go inside and check it out. When you come, we'll talk more about it. When you come visit Kantanka Automobile Showroom, we'll go to the Kantanka Omama. So let's check the interior of K71 PRO. This is the interior of Kantanka K71 PRO. Yes, the interior. This is how beautiful the interior is. It has several ventilation spots. It has got a 10.25-inch display screen. And let me sit in the vehicle. So this is the 10.25-inch display screen. K71 has got a sunroof. Yes, it has got a sunroof. This is the sunroof. Very, very luxurious vehicle, like very, very beautiful. And every vehicle you buy from Kantanka Automobile is a brand new vehicle. The reason you have this rubber being covered on the seat. So very beautiful. This has got several driving modes, which includes a sports mode. You have your cup holder or your bottle holder. You have your safe. You've got your nice gears over here. This is cruise control. when you come, I mean, we'll talk more about the Kantanka K71 PRO. But today, I'm only demonstrating to you that Ghana have got great vehicles over here. Nice vehicles. We are going to go to the Kantanka Omama pickup truck for you to check out how everything is. So come with me. Let's go to the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. Yeah. Ishowspeed. So this is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. We are going to go inside so that we check everything out. This is a 2.5 engine capacity vehicle. Yes, 2.5 engine capacity vehicle. Very beautiful car, luxurious. This could serve as security purpose. This could serve as people's personal car, and this could serve as, you know, you could even drive this car for your tourist visitation and all that. So let's check it out. Let's get inside the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. So you have your this way, and so this is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. Very beautiful vehicle. I'm going to start the engine. So this is how the Kantanka Omama pickup truck has got this particular, you know, screen that supports both Apple and Android CarPlay. Has got several ventilation spots. This vehicle has 360 panoramic view, and has also got a trip recorder. Yes, this is the trip recorder. The trip recorder records everything around you, So when you are moving your vehicle, we are going to give you a chip or a memory card that you would insert in the trip recorder. You switch on the trip recorder, it is going to record every incident that is going to happen on the road. So if there is anything that requires evidence, requires you going back to the trip recorder, you view everything on the screen. This vehicle uses diesel. Yes, diesel. It comes with a horsepower of 136 with a 2.5 engine capacity. It is a 5-seater. Let's check out how spacious the trunk is. So this is how beautiful the let me get down so that you watch. You just look at everything. So just check out the interior of the vehicle. Yes, this is the interior of Kantanka Omama pickup truck. And this is a 4x2 and a 4x4. Yes, a 4x2 and a 4x4 vehicle. So you can never be stuck in any muddy area. This vehicle is built by Ghanaians. Yes, we built our own vehicles. Yes, this vehicle is built by Ghanaians. I want you to come and check the back seat. Just check out the back seat. So that is the back seat of Kantanka Omama pickup truck. This one has also got sensors, reverse camera, reverse voice, and also, like I said, a 360 panoramic view. This is how spacious the Kantanka Omama pickup truck is. The trunk, this is the trunk. This is how spacious it is. It means that this one, it can contain so many luggage, like so many things over here. People can even sit over here if you are going on probably a safari, like you're having fun at the forest, having fun at, you know, tourist attractions that you are going to watch games, you are going to watch these wild animals, wildlife. You pick this vehicle. This is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. Now we move on to the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. That is the vehicle that we'll be moving to. But this is the Kantanka Omama. So this is how the Omama is being spelled. The Omama, the O-M-A-M-A. So this is the Kantanka Omama pickup truck. Let's move on to the Kantanka Onantefo. Kantanka Onantefo is a 2.0 turbocharged vehicle. It uses petrol. It also comes with 360 panoramic view. It has a very large panoramic sky screen. That is a panoramic sunroof. There's also got sensors, reverse voice, reverse camera. So this vehicle, it can also be added to the fleet of vehicles that you'll be driving. Like I said, you would come here, or we plead with you to come to the Kantanka Automobile Showroom. Come and check it out. Come and check our vehicles out. Just check out how everything looks like. So we are going to go inside the Kantanka Omama Onantefo. Come, just come and check the interior. So this is the interior of Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. So, like I said, this is the interior of Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. Several ventilation spots as well. It has also got, a sky screen. So we are going to check the sky screen. This is how beautiful it is. So this is how beautiful the sky screen is. Very large panoramic sky screen. Onantefo has other safety features: airbags, 360 camera. So this is the 360 camera. Let's check it out. So you could tell that because we've actually opened 2 doors of the vehicle, the reason why it is being shown over here. And all this is being done by Ghanaians. We build this vehicle ourselves. We build it at the Kantanka assembling plant, which is exactly what you are seeing on the screen. Kantanka assembling plant. We do these things by ourselves. So you can also check out my other videos on, TikTok, Kantanka Studios. Go to Instagram, Kantanka Automobile, Facebook, Kantanka Automobile. We have all these videos over there. So that is the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV. So when you come here, I'm just walking you through. When you come here, we are going to check out everything. This has got cruise control. Just very luxurious vehicle. Trust me, luxurious vehicle. Yeah. So this one is the Kantanka Boafo. Yes, the Kantanka Boafo. This is a vehicle that is meant for farmers in this country. It is meant for people working in the market, people working anywhere. It is a one-stroke single cylinder. It uses petrol. It is a 4-wheel drive. Has 4 shafts. It has got a tip-in cargo bed. The bed or the cargo can have goods of up to 1,500 kilogram or 1.5 tons. So this is my last vehicle that I would like to show you over here. But there was this vehicle that I didn't show you because that is not in the Kantanka Automobile showroom, which is the Kantanka Obrempong pickup truck. Exactly what you are seeing on the screen. Obrempong pickup truck. So Obrempong is a 2.3 turbocharged engine vehicle. It is comparable to the likes of Toyota Tundra F-150 and those huge pickup trucks from other automobile brands as well. So the Kantanka Obrempong has also got 360 panoramic view. It has got a trip recorder, sensors. It has got lane departure warning, tire pressure monitoring system. Some of these safety features, that is ABS, EBD, hill start assist. The Onantefo, the Omama pickup truck, the K71 PRO has got it all. Yes, that I didn't want to mention them, but I'm mentioning it right now. And hopefully when you step foot in Ghana, you come to the Kantanka Automobile showroom, we do this together. So I'll be bringing to the end of this particular video, but I would like you to have a look at the tipping bed, how everything is being done. So come and check it out. Yeah. So this is how everything is being, this is how it is, the tipping bed, the farmers, for market women, in fact for everyone, people working in the construction sites. So we are showing this to Ishowspeed, but this is also to you watching. If you are interested, you know the numbers that you're supposed to call: 0242037429, 0547462581. Yeah. So this is where we bring to the end of this particular video. Ishowspeed, please do well to come to Ghana, and when you come to Ghana, visit Kantanka Automobile showroom. So we will welcome you to the Kantanka Automobile showroom. Ishowspeed, my name is Nana Kojusafu. To everybody watching this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kojusafu Studios.